I am Mike, I am Hive Synthesis, and we're talking about a few of our flagship products today. Specifically the Honey, which is a light to CV box. It allows you to control really anything that you control with CV, sends positive or negative voltage. We're using the work stat as an example here, but if you were to run a flashlight over it, we're changing the filter, we're changing pitch. There's another one hiding around here. This one's the LFO rate. So there's fun little boxes that you can use to control anything. I like to use one on a VCA, one on a VCO, pretend I have a theremin, put one on cutoff, one on resonance, look real cool while I'm waving my hands around.
They're super cool.
Oh, thanks.
They seem like they're really, like, you get really creative with these.
Yeah, I like to do a lot of outdoor streaming, and I use tree shadows. I'll put birdseed across it and have squirrels run across to like send different CV messages. They're really fun. I try to make them as inexpensive as possible so that you can just get a few of them and like have a really good time with it.
That's awesome. If people want to find them, we'll order them.
Yes, HiveMindSynthesis.com or look up HiveMindSynthesis on Etsy.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.